name is Jade, and now I'll be the start of this channel.
Hey! What's all that about? Some dolls hosting Slime Sam's channel?
Oh, relax, Pipsqueak. It was a joke. Oops.
A joke? Sue would never joke about such things. And she's careful.
Well, yes, even though Sue and I are sisters, we're completely different. She likes reading, and I love video games. She loves drawings, and I prefer doing sports. She loves L.O.L dolls, but I prefer Bratz dolls. Jade is my favorite one. I was so happy to get her.
You still rarely part with her. Sue must be jealous.
No, she isn't. She's actually sad.
Sad? Are Sue?
Well, yes, they don't make L.O.L dolls for this size.
Yeah, if her favorite unicorn girl was big, it would cheer her up.
Well, Satsu sounds wrong. We really need to cheer her up. Right, Pipsqueak, you're coming with me to help.
Will you make me work like crazy again?
Oh, you drama llama exaggerating again. Come! Hey everyone! Today we're going to do some transformations. Yes, they don't make L.O.L dolls so big, but you can turn a Bratz doll into an L.O.L doll. I don't mind parting my favorite doll for my sister. I don't like when Sue is sad. Guys, what are you ready to do for your brothers and sisters? Write in the comments. So I'm waiting for Mr. Slime to bring the materials and then I can start. Where is he? Sam!
What? Did I bring something wrong?
How should I know if you just dumped it? Some helper. Fine, I'll figure it out. The main material will be glitter craft foam.
Will you need all these colors?
As if you haven't seen Unicorn Girl. Look how colorful she is.
Ah.
Right, first, we need to remake the eyes. I'll make the eyes out of the white craft foam. It's self-adhesive, so it'll be easy to attach it to the doll afterwards.
Don't forget that the eyes aren't white.
Oh, would you look at the genius Slime? Listen here, take these and go.
Where?
To paint the eyes.
Oh, I love painting.
Go on, Painter Slime, and I'll start on making clothes. Oh no, I'm not going to sew, especially since I can work with craft foam without it. I'll trace the pattern of the panties over the craft foam and cut it out.
Sam will do his best. I have no idea when I'll get another chance to show my painting talent. Oh, this color is perfect, just like the unicorn girl's eyes. And go!
Right, I'll decorate the panties with a lace ribbon. I love ribbons! They can transform any item. Give a thumbs up if you agree. Now I only need to glue the fastening on.
Huh, something's missing. Oh, glitter.
The panties are done! Oh, did you decide to become a doll yourself?
A dramatic entrance never hurt anyone. Where is she? Samantha, what are you doing here? Why aren't you making the doll?
I started gluing the hair on and remembered that I didn't brush my hair. Fine, back to work. My sister Sue is waiting for her surprise, even though she doesn't know about it yet. I'm making the hair out of the craft foam strips. Unicorn Girl has wonderful color hair. I want such hair too. Have you ever dyed your hair into unusual colors? Write in the comments. Let's put this here. I think it came out cool.
Here!
Sam, are you a hairdresser now?
Well, I'm an expert on wigs, didn't you know?
I didn't. You make every day a
As if you make
surprise.
it boring.
You'd better run before I glue these ponytails to you. Like this. But they suit Jade so well, I have no regrets that I've started remaking her. Let's attach the ribbons. These ribbons are so pretty. Really, I'm starting to wish I was making this outfit for myself. And the hair is done. Beautiful! Let's add the eyes as well. 1 and 2. And let's make her lips pretty as well. I'll apply some glue to the lips. Cover them with purple glitter. and shake off the excess. It looks almost like the real thing. Samantha is a pretty ballerina, but the doll will need a smaller skirt. Hop! Hop! The skirt is made of several layers of tulle attached to a rubber band. Very simple. Let's see. There!
Won't she get cold?
Cold? Why?
Well, the skirt is so breezy. What if the doll gets sick? It would be really unpleasant.
A doll? Sick? You've got some imagination. However, I've got a solution. Doll stockings. Let's pull them onto doll's legs. Make her warm and pretty.
Lace won't keep her warm, but fine.
How do you know?
Well, I worked as a tailor once. I know my way around fabrics.
Totally believable.
I'll prove it to you! Here.
Wow. Fine. I believe that you've got a tailor talent. How should I fix the top on the doll?
Here, glue it on. I don't like working with the glue gun.
Afraid you'll melt? Well, fine. I'll do it myself. You may go. I love the glue. Done. Time to dress the doll. I'm sure you like your outfit, Dolly, don't you? So pretty. I'm sure Sue will like her.
Haven't you forgotten something?
All right, shoes. We won't leave you barefoot. Let's see. Here are the pieces for making the shoes. The soles are made of craft foam. The top is from felt. And some cute decorations, of course. Let's get right to it. I feel like a shoe elf. And to finish the transformation, let's remove her nail polish. What, unicorn without a horn? The flowers will decorate the hairband, but first we need to make the horn. Sam, do you want to become a unicorn?
Why not? They're so magical.
Slime corn? That's something.
Slime corns are a new species. I'll go write about them in Wikipedia.
Go on, and I'll continue gluing strips of craft foam onto the paper horn. Let's see. Dollycorn! I think the hairband is supposed to have ears too.
I haven't forgotten about the ears.
Sam, I'll burst from laughing! I need to visit the bathroom to prevent bursting. A moment.
I didn't do anything. Guys, if you want to see me in some funny outfit, write in the comments! And subscribe to the channel to actually see it.
Phew, catastrophe prevented. Right, give the horn here, Sam. I only need to assemble all the pieces of the headband, ears, and flowers. Let's try it on. Wonderful! And the last touch? Earrings. The doll is finished!
The doll is finished! Do you know what the best part of L.O.L surprises are?
What?
The surprise! That's why they're in sealed balls.
I won't make a ball, but a box is no problem. Come with me, advisor.
Oh.
We'll make a cardboard box. Guys, just look at this amazing thing we've created. Wow, right? I like it so much. Just look at all this confetti. That's where our surprises will be. And that's where we'll place our beautiful doll. Look at all these cool stickers. So we'll be so happy. This goes here. Oh, you came out so awesome. Now let's cover you. And we'll only need to place all the items inside. The skirt will be here. The hairband here, and the top goes here. We've only got to place the shoes here and the stockings here. They aren't in the baggies, but Sue will need to rotate the lid and get them out one by one. I can't wait to give it to her. Guys, give a thumbs up if you liked how we transformed a Bratz doll into an L.O.L doll.
Subscribe to the channel not to miss the unboxing of the doll.
See you soon!